Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Zangi backup and restore issue on your phone. First, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Zangi needs a Wi-Fi or mobile data to upload or restore your chats. Second, go to Play Store or App Store, search for Zangi and tap update if a new version is available. Older versions may cause backup errors. Third step, check for storage permissions. For that, open your phone settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Zangi. Go to permissions and make sure file accesses are enabled. And if a problem continues, go step back, scroll down, tap on storage, and then tap clear cache, then restart the app and try again. As a last step, uninstall and reinstall the Zangi app, log back in, and check your backup again. It usually fixes stuck restores. And that's it. Your Zangi backup and restore issue should now be fixed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.